Alright, I'm going to do a little performance. This is a Bebel oil and water combined with the Ray Kosby oil and water. So I'm not going to do an explanation for this, but it's just a little performance of what I'm going to do here. Okay, so I've got some red cards here, okay, and I've got some black cards, okay, which we'll get to in a second. I'm going to set red cards here, and then we've got some black cards, okay. So watch very carefully. I'm just going to snap my fingers and I can mix them up like that, where they're visually mixed face up and the face down. See? Black, red, black, red, black, red. Okay? Now watch, I just snap my fingers, they magically unmix. Okay? Now I'll do that again even if nobody asks. Okay? We're going to show there's the black cards, there's the red cards, okay, black and red. Now watch very carefully, I'm just going to give the cards a shake and they magically mix. It's kind of crazy. See, some are facing up, some are facing down, some are facing up, facing down, and just give the cards a little spin like this and they magically unmix with all the reds and all the blacks. Hope you like that.